Hello guys, welcome to today's video and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Clarion Dee and today we are gonna be making some pizza. This is just homemade pizza, and also we'll be making our own cheese, but not in this video. If you like to know how cheese is made, kindly comment down below and I'll show you that one. So guys, welcome. Let's just begin with the preparations, guys. And kindly guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you're liking my content, and also share with your friends and family. So guys, at this point I was preparing my sauce, and in the sauce we have tomatoes, some peppers, onions, and we've just put them on the fire to heat up, as you can see, and I'll keep stirring them to see the progress. So this was the state. This was still so raw that I gave it some time to cook. And on the other pan, I was making chicken breast. I was just roasting it a little bit. So yeah, this will be my toppings, guys. And I had to make them perfect. So if you don't want to make this sauce at home, you can still go to the supermarket and get an already made sauce, but I prefer making my own sauce because it's just a good experience. It just gives you a lot of, you just have a wide range of spicing it the way you want. So yeah, this is the chicken breast that will be topping on the pizza. And at this point I was just tempted to keep testing and testing and testing. Actually it was a lot, but I had tested quite an amount. Yo, it's my kitchen, so I can test it. I can test until I finish and then I cook another one. These are the other toppings that we'll be using on the pizza. I have my peppers, onions, some smoked chicken sausages, and our cheese, though it's kidogo, it's a little bit, but anyway, we move. It was a lot and we used it on other meals, so anyway, we still ate it, so no cause for alarm. We shall just use the remaining one. So yeah, this will be our toppings, and we make this amazing pizza. And at this point I've already kneaded my dough. It is just somewhere in the kitchen thawing, not thawing, it's somewhere in the kitchen resting here. So that's our homemade cheese. Actually it's very simple to make mozzarella cheese, and this one I made myself, so you can make it. So guys, after a while, this is how the sauce is looking and it's almost ready. So you just want to ensure that your sauce does not have any water left. It has to dry up and become as thick as you wish, but it's better when it doesn't have any excess water. So at this point my sauce was just doing great. And then for the tanginess of the tomatoes, if you don't like it, you can add a little bit of honey. Yeah, it will make it a bit better, or you can add in some brown sugar if you have. So in this case I used some honey, guys, and it was fantastic. It was so nice. It tasted so good actually, and the end result was just amazing. So with me here I have these yellow peppers, red peppers, and green peppers, and I also have onions because I love onions. Duh. Then here I have my homemade mozzarella cheese, the one that I'll be using. I have some smoked sausages over here, and I have chicken. This is chicken breast. I've just roasted it a little bit, yeah. And then I have my sauce. I just made this sauce by myself, so yeah, I know how to make things, DIY girl. So lastly but not least, I have ketchup. I'll be adding some ketchup and our our dough. It's already very nice. It has risen so well. It's just fantastica. So let's do this, guys. And by the way, this is a microwave. Microwave what? This is a microwave. Nimesahau. This is a microwave pizza. Yeah. So I'll be making it in the microwave because I do not have an oven. And we said we'll not kill ourselves because we don't have ovens. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. So let me just quickly do this and roll out the dough. Although I know I should not do this way. I know I should just use my hands like this. Lakini sitaki. Kama nifanye hivi. Yeah, it's doable. So let me just do this. Flatten the dough as much as possible. This dough is not even. I'll just roll it out, guys, because I want it to be even. So let me do this. With pizza, shape is not important. You can decide to make your own amoebas there. It doesn't matter. The toppings will decorate it. So as you can see, I have my map of Africa over here. Guys, let's just cross fingers and hope that everything will go fantastica. There's someone already yawning, so let's just be fast so that they won't eat me raw. That's done. Hey, I don't know if it will fit here, but this is our baking tray. Because my microwave, I can't put any metallic in, so I'll be using this plate. It's microwave safe. Yeah. So you just push the dough around like so, like this, like this, like this. I have a thing in my kitchen. Why are you shaking? Then after that, our sauce. So we'll be saucing this like this and just spread it. I want it very saucy. So it's good to make your own sauce because it will be enough or even more. And the more, the merrier. And then I'll sprinkle a little bit of the cheese like this, because the cheese is not a lot. Tulitumia ingine kwa mkate, ni sisi ndio tuko na sisi ndio tutakula. So there's no order, by the way. Just take your toppings and put them as you wish. If you wish to put the tails first, then so be it. So no particular order. So I'll just put these pieces of chicken like this, and then I'll taste one, and I'll put the remaining. Oh my goodness, I forgot the ketchup. No problem, the sauce is enough. So next, I'm gonna add my sausages. Someone in this kitchen is yawning too much. not know why. How would you fall down now? Then I'll just sprinkle on my onions or onions, whichever way you choose to call them. Then my chilies, like that. Not my chilies, my peppers. Yo, my toppings are a lot. And we said the more, the better, and the merrier. So, taking this and taking it to the microwave. Yeah, and then I'll just use the pizza function. So let's do this, guys. Off to the microwave. So guys, our pizza is ready, and you see the result of having a little cheese, as in cheese that is not enough. You will not have that ooey gooey effect. So if you want to have that one, kindly make sure you have enough cheese. Do not misuse your cheese and then you remember, oh, I can make pizza also like me. So don't be like me, and kindly, if you're planning to do this recipe, have enough cheese and you'll have that ooey gooey effect of the cheese. Otherwise, the pizza tasted so good. It was so yummy. In fact, we ate all of this in one sitting, and we're only two people. Yeah, so, and we had other accompaniment, so you can imagine how good it was. But anyway, mwili mpya tutapewa mbinguni, so hapa duniani tutakula tu, mengine tutajulia mbele mbele. Sawa? So this is the moment of truth, and this is how the pizza is looking. It's looking amazing. It's so good. So we are going to test this pizza. Yeah, you see, even the bottom is a little bit crusted. The crust looks so well. And now I'll just have some ketchup, since I did not put ketchup when I was beginning. This is the time. So that bite was just heavenly, you guys. It was so good. It was so refreshing, and it was just everything good, guys. On this one, trust you me, I really did a good job. So, you guys, I have outdone myself. The pizza is so good, so nice. So, congrats. Remember, we used homemade cheese, but don't be like me. Have enough cheese so that you have that stringy effect. So I did not have that because My cheese ilikuwa kidogo, so next time I'll have enough cheese to make such a delicacy. But anyway, the pizza turned out so good, and here it is. I just want to finish up this piece of mine, this one. Yeah. Have a blessed day wherever you are. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe to get such amazing content, you guys. I love you so much. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.